Yes, sir. Tell me what's going on.
I have a 2003 Lexus GX470. It wouldn't start at all. I troubleshot all sorts of things. Last thing was the ECU. I sent it to an ECU repair shop. They said it's shot. So now I've gone on eBay and bought a complete ECU setup. The key, the immobilizer, and some other things I really can't identify. And what I'm looking for is step-by-step procedures on. The first thing I got to do is get the ignition assembly out of the car, and then I'd love to be able to send you a photo of the stuff I bought. But basically, there's maybe 5 or 6 items in the package that came with it. They include door locks and the glove box lock. It's coming with new locks. New keys as well as locks.
You're more than welcome to upload some pictures to the chat. Absolutely.
All right. So the chat is this. Could I send you a photo of the stuff I bought in the chat? Do I send it to this phone number that I'm talking to you on, or a different phone number?
Somehow you got to get it to the chat. You can try to text back. If you got a text message from the site, you can try that. I'm not exactly sure, right. But yes.
So, Timothy, how's this sound? Next step, I'll send it to you. You get a look at the stuff, and then you can call me back with your thoughts. I'd like to get the ignition assembly out first and then go from there.
So that sounds good. Let me just make sure I understand you correctly. You want to know how to remove and replace these parts, is that correct?
That is correct.
All right, and as far as the ignition switch goes, are you replacing the ignition lock cylinder, or are you replacing the electronic part of the ignition switch?
Yes, I'm replacing everything that keeps that car from starting. So it'll be I got a new used ECU from the same year model car coming in. It's got a guarantee on it. Of course, we know what guarantees are worth, but I'm sure it's... So here's what we can do. At this point, I'll try and figure out how to send you, or if you could send me an email address, I could send you a photo, because I'm not sure where the chat would be, but I definitely could send it to an email or to this phone number that you're talking to me from, a photo of the stuff. What would you prefer? For me to send it via email or the phone number that I'm talking to you on?
Phone number.
So we'll hang up, and then you can take a look at it and say, I got a basic idea on what we need to do, and we'll go from there. How's that sound?
Sounds good.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Talk to you soon.
All right.